Stop paying for expensive real estate lead generation software. I'm about to show you how to find lucrative real estate deals absolutely free using just Redfin. First, head over to redfin.com. You don't even need an account for most of this. We're going to dive deep into Redfin's powerful search filters. Click on all filters and immediately scroll down to the listing status section here. Select foreclosures and short sales. These properties often come with built-in discounts due to the urgency of the sale. Next, set your price range. Be realistic about your budget and the market you're targeting. Also set the desired property type, such as houses, condos, or townhouses. Here's a pro tip: use the keywords option search for terms like renovation needed, TLC, or handyman special. These listings often indicate properties that are undervalued due to their condition. Now, zoom in on your target area on the Redfin map. Look for properties marked with price reductions. Significant price drops can signal motivated sellers and potential deals. Click on a promising property and scroll down to the price history. Analyze how the price has changed over time. A consistent downward trend could indicate an opportunity. Finally, set up instant updates for your saved search. This way, Redfin will email you as soon as new properties matching your criteria hit the market, giving you a head start on the competition. That's it. By leveraging Redfin's free tools and a little bit of savvy searching, you can find real estate deals without spending a dime on leads. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate investing tips.